Hi everyone, so today I'm back to share with you unboxing from Your Creative Studio, and it's the month of November. I actually have seen other people's and I'm so excited to actually have this box with these items. So I'm going to show you. Oh, it's beautiful. As you can see, I haven't even opened, so it's not that I've had a sneak peek, it's the fact that I've seen other people's and I couldn't resist. I know I shouldn't. I should have waited. So this is like, first video I've done in ages because I've been ill, so ill, and now my husband has it, and you know what it's like when men are ill. You know, his illness is 10 times worse than mine. So anyway, right, so it is the blue florals. How cute is them? Right, I'm going to take this out of the box, and I've got a big pile of these boxes because I try and put everything back in them so that I know what box it came out of in case anyone asks me. So I'll set that there, okay? And I always try and tear this gently because I say I'm going to use the paper. I don't think I've used any of it yet because it's they're just all kept in the boxes. I will put a link below to Your Creative Studio. So I'm just moving. I'm actually in the middle of doing something, and this actually came the other day, but because I've been ill, I haven't had the chance to do it. And then it was sitting in the house, and I forgot about it. So in the middle of this project, it just dawned on me that I had this, and I was like, oh crikey, I'm going to stop and do the video. So this is so cute. I'm going to show you this first. I watched Lisa, who's Lisa, oh gosh, I can't remember your YouTube name, Lisa. Oh my gosh, Lisa's Handmade Journals, handmade by Lisa, that's what it is. Sorry, I've still got brain fog. She was like overly excited about this little box, and me too. It's so cute. So you can keep stuff in it. It's got a nice like metal hinge on there. I might have to stop and take a drink because I've still got a tickly cough. Yeah, that'd be good to keep that little pieces of ephemera in. Oh, and that's so cute. How cute is that? So very cute. Sorry, I'm just gonna take some coffee because I haven't really spoke much. Right, these are, what are these again? I might have to stop and start this video. I'm no longer ill, if you know what I mean. I've just been left with a cough. It's these lovely circles. Ooh. And they are stickers, I believe. So look how many there is. There's hundreds. Absolutely hundreds of them. So I will enjoy using them. Then this is awesome washi. You always get washi in the boxes. There's always washi, there's always stamps, there's always papers, there's always stickers. This is the washi. Oh, how cute is that? Let's see if I can find the end. I can feel it. I can feel it. Thank goodness got nails. I broke one of my nails the other day, so I had to trim them all down. I hate that. I can't stand having like one nail shorter than all the others. So that is that. I hope you can see that. That's a lovely colour because it's blue, but it's kind of lilac-y as well. I like that. So that's the washi. Whoops, now I'm throwing stuff around. Black and white collection. Plant small bean series. Ooh. I love how everything's so dinky and cute. Oh. Is that like, oh, they're vellum. How cool are they? I like vellum pieces. Oh, so you get vellum and then you get paper, and it's actually quite a nice thick paper. It's in a cream colour. So that's that. Then we have these. They are journal tabs. How cute are they? Oh, I like them. They're really nice and thick as well. They're good, really good quality. So there's that design. Is there another design? Yep, we've got that little pattern there. So there's them. I don't know how many there is, but there's a good few. Put them back in there. And then here is, these are travel themed, like journal cards. Oh, hang on. Oh, that feels really, oh, that's why. Oh, it's got a clear piece on it. Yep, and they're all, oh, yeah, just travel themed journal cards. They'll be good for collaging. Might actually incorporate these into what I'm doing at the moment. Then here is a cling stamp, which is that. How cool is that? That's lovely, and they do stamp ever so well. This is another cling stamp. Oh, it's a lovely floral there. How cool is that? Gosh, I hope I'm in frame. Yeah, bit late. Sorry, that's my hot water bottle. You can feel. Because when I had this cold, I woke up the other morning about 5 in the morning, having a sneezing fit, and I put my back out, and I literally could not move. I was like a tortoise stuck on its back. I couldn't get out of bed, it was funny, but it was scary at the same time. So these, that's why I got the hot water bottle, just in case you wondered why I was telling you that, because I've got it on my back. These are stickers. Oh, they're pretty. They're very nice stickers. Then we have, what are they? Oh, sticky notes. Sticky notes. So they're pretty. You could use like a glue stick and actually glue that down completely onto a page. So that's the sticky notes. Then we have some paper, some 6x6 I would imagine, and again it's these blues and lilacs. I'm actually seeing more lilac-y in this and blue in that. There's some lace trim on that, not real lace trim, but the effect of that's really nice and thick. I was just thinking, was that 2 pages, and how pretty is that? That's very nice. And they got little snowflakes on it. We're supposed to have snow, like in the next week or so. It's going to be March this week. Well, in a day or two. What day is it now? Yeah, a couple of days. And it's going to be March. And we're going to have snow. Crazy. So these are like journal cards. They're really pretty. And they've got a texture to them. Or is it me? Might just be me. It might be on the back actually. So you get all them. Can make nice tags out of those as well. So I will put everything back in that. And this is a floral masking sticker set. So it's like washi. There we go. Oh, that's pretty in the middle. And they're quite glossy. So you get 2 sheets of that. Then this is the thicker one. How cool is that? And then you get 4 of these, which you could cut up. Oh no, there's actually 8 on here. 8 altogether. So that is all that. So I will put them all back in the relevant bags and stuff in a minute. So that is the November box, and the bag. That's the November box. I will put the link below. I'm looking forward to using this, and yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.